in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 4:15 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Burlington and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Johnstown around 3:20 p.m., Georgetown around 3:25 p.m., Wrightstown around 3:30 p.m., Cream Ridge around 3:40 p.m., Woodruff and Six Flags Theme Park around 3:50 p.m., Cassville around 3:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex and Monmouth.